Hello, welcome to Sktacademy. I hope you will be fine. In this video, we will learn how to download Autocad 2021 version for 1 year free license. If you have an Autodesk account, then you can download it for free. In the previous videos, I already discussed how to create a free student account and how to activate it. Now we'll select free software category. This is Autodesk website, free software, and then I will select Autocad. I have already created account, so I will sign in. Now you can select your desired version: 2018, 19, 20 and 2021. For example, 2021. Select your operating system and select your desired language. They will give me a serial number and a product key for Autodesk 2021. My file size will be 3.979 GB and I can install it on 2 personal devices. And that's it. How to download, can install now. So that's it, how to download free Autocad 2021 from Autodesk website with 1 year free license. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.